Are you struggling with your website's SEO ranking? It's time to turn to video marketing for expert tips and strategies to boost your website's ranking. Video marketing is one of the most effective ways to improve your website's SEO ranking. According to recent studies, websites with videos have a 53 times higher chance of ranking on the first page of Google. Optimizing your video content is crucial for SEO ranking. Ensure your videos have engaging titles, descriptions, and tags, and transcriptions. Also, embed your videos on your website to keep viewers engaged longer. The quality of your video content is just as important as its optimization. Invest in equipment and software that will enable you to shoot high-quality videos that will keep your viewers engaged. Promote your videos on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to increase your reach and enhance your SEO ranking. With these expert tips and strategies, your website's SEO ranking is set for a boost. Get started on video marketing today and see your website on the first page of Google's search results in no time.